as you can tell, we saved the best for last.
Nice.
Ready to get it. So I'm Ronny Victor. Before Boca Code, I did graphic design and, are you filming me?
Oh, yes. Double film.
Anyway, I did graphic design and web development. I still do those things, but now that I've been to Boca Code, I can pretty much build anything I want.
Nice.
So I'm excited to show you guys what I made for my final project. So the title of my final project is What State Is This? So we'll start with the problem. The problem is pretty simple. I just wanted to be able to look at a map of the United States and be able to point out the states and have that memorized. Pretty simple geography, never been my strongest suit. So the solution, I wanted to just create a fun way to learn the 50 states while challenging myself and giving myself a way to track my progress. So we can just go to the demo here. Dang it. All right, no.
Come on.
So as you can see, when you first load the site, a random state is highlighted. Does anyone know what this is?
The one next to,
Utah.
Not Utah.
the one next
Anyone
to Las
else?
Vegas.
The one next to Vegas. I was gonna go with that.
Vegas?
No, the one next to Vegas.
Yeah.
You know, the
The
one next
one
to
next
Vegas.
to
Is
Vegas.
it Utah?
Next to Vegas.
I don't think that's right.
It's the right answer.
So as you can see, we got it wrong. So
We
we
got it
get
wrong.
this incorrect here, but I could keep trying.
Pretty sure
It's
that's
not.
Utah.
It's oh Utah.
Utah?
Okay, cool. So as you can see, we advanced to the next state.
Nice.
So this is
Oh.
Illinois. Awesome. So as you can see, this time when I got it correct, it turns blue. So basically, when you have to get the answer correct on your first try in order for it to be considered correct. So you can try as many times as you want, but you will never be correct unless you get it right the first time. What else? Let me sign out first. So you can sign in here with Google. You just need a Google account, obviously. I'm gonna sign in with my stuff.
It's with a G.
All right. So you can sign in at any time. It doesn't take your progress away. And when you are signed in, you can look at some of the scores that you saved. So as you can see here, I did pretty well. I don't want to do this, but you can delete. You have a delete button right here. So RIP. Oh, no, sorry. And you can see it deletes right there. You don't have to, and you never have to see it again. So I hate doing this, but I'm gonna have to skip through that. So as you can see, there are all, before I do that, this doesn't leave this room, okay? So there's actually a cheat code I have implemented.
No.
So you can actually put in the abbreviation of the state, and that'll be correct. Don't tell anyone. I did it when I was testing it to make it easier on myself. And as you can see on the left here, we have when you advance to the next state, you can see the state that we just had, which was Ohio. You can see the name of the state, the capital, and we get a little fun fact that I curated for each of the 50 states, and also a link to the Wikipedia page if you want to learn more. What else is there? Oh, you could.
You notice on Wikipedia it was red, so they got it wrong.
Yeah, that's true. What else? Oh, I have a reset button here for if you get frustrated, want to rage quit, start over again.
Nice.
That works. What else is there? I guess I can show. Sorry, I'm skip again.
What happens if you get them all right?
Oh, not yet. So I think if I hit this button here, shit. Oh, my score was saved right there.
Oh, no.
And I can delete it because I'm not gonna save that one. So yeah, I implore everyone to come here to play this game. And I will say, if you get all 50 states correct, there is a special little surprise. So I challenge you all to play this.
Elon Musk brings us a MacBook Air.
Wait.
That's
So.
Now I'm like guessing what that is.
You got it.
Oh.
Like now I
Do you wanna
gotta
go
think,
back?
but, like, does the Animaniacs like jump up and sing songs?
Oh, that'd be bad.
Oh,
That would be
I'm not
awesome.
telling you. So this is the last time y'all gonna have to hear this. My friend, I put out my.
For 3 months.
Yeah, for 3 more months. I built out my front end in React. I built a single page application. I did the CSS myself. A pure CSS, no libraries. But I built the API out with Node and Express, a nice RESTful API. And my database, I'm using the Firestore's document database. And I also have authentication with Firebase as well. So for the future, I would love to be able to expand this past the United States. It's pretty typical of an American to only care about America. So I wanted to be able to expand this globally around the world. And since I would want this to garner a global audience, I would want support for as many languages as possible. I think that's it. Cool. So thank you for listening to me. This is my email address.